What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And am I the only person who's sleeping or who was sleeping on Twitter pretty heavily? But before I get into the whole Twitter topic, real quick to my people out there that bought the Team DeAngelo course version 2, there's a link in the description. Go to this little registration page right here. Basically, just fill out your name, your email address, the same one that you used to message me or whatnot after you made your purchase, password, of course, and then just click submit. Then tomorrow you will get a email basically saying like, hey, everything's in there, everything's all good. You can go and basically start doing the training. Now, obviously, every single thing isn't going to be there. It would be impossible for me to go out and recreate every single video that I've made for the last 5 years in 1 week. It's just not possible. I got to do brand new case studies, all that stuff. So obviously, this is a ongoing thing here or whatnot, but I put all the meat and potatoes in the course. Like, I know the main one right now, like I said, is the adult campaign that everybody's like, that's like number one thing that people want to see. So that's what I've been, focusing on heavy. Obviously, the Cash App stuff's in there, the CPA marketing stuff is in there, of course. But like this right here, a lot of people have been hitting me up about this adult method because I mean, it's like stupid easy. Like, you guys saw my story today, $566 today. Like, imagine 2 days, boom. Even if you pay full price, you got your money back, and it goes by how much effort you put in. And you can also you can put it on autopilot. As I said, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Obviously, you guys will see it in the training. Today will be the last day of the sale, so better go get it, guys, before it goes back. Before it goes to 1,000. But anyway, let's talk about Twitter, because low key, your boy was sleeping heavy on Twitter. So right now, I got about 3,000 messages going out every day with Twitter. That's pretty smooth. Like 3,000 messages per day. 3,000 messages. Like, if that stays 100, like just that right there, at the end of the month, that's 90,000 messages going out to brand new people. 90,000 basically for free, because you got to pay for your bot, of course, or whatnot. But I mean, the traffic that you're going to be getting from 90,000 messages. Now, obviously, every single person isn't going to read it and all that stuff or whatnot. And I'm sure you're going to have accounts that get shut down and all that. But not bad. All right. Literally, this is their website, Twitter's official website. Daily messages, 1,000 messages per day. Tweets, 2,400 per day. And the follow limit is 400 per day. Soon as I saw that right there, I was like, yeah, I gotta go find some bots. So I had to go out and do a crap ton of research. It was like 4 hours worth of research. Well, not really research, just going out and like just doing stuff or whatnot. I had to go buy accounts, then I had to, figure out who to buy accounts from, which websites to buy accounts from, which websites to stay away from, which people to stay away from. I had to talk to a bunch of people who was wasting time. Like, then it was just a whole mess that went into this or whatever. Then the bot process actually wasn't that hard. That was kind of like one of the easiest parts about this whole thing. It was mainly just getting the accounts and then just doing a bunch of testing. Like, at the moment, I got a brand new account that I literally created today running on a bot, and I just want to see how long it takes for it to get shut down. Like, that's it. Then I want to see if it's going to be like a chain reaction. Like, if one account gets shut down, will that shut down all of my other accounts that are also, on the bot as well? So, like, that's kind of your job as a marketer. You just test all of this stuff out or whatever. It does kill me that a lot of people like refuse to buy a course or whatever, because, like, imagine you having to go through all of the stuff that somebody else did already. You could pay them like $50, and then it saves you literally hours upon hours upon hours upon hours upon hours of research. Saves you money, saves you time, like everything, for like $50, $100 or something like that. And then, like, oh no, I can't pay someone that, but then Joel drop 50 grand on college to wait 4 years and hope you get a job. Like, well, depending on what you go for, of course. But y'all know my whole take on that or whatnot. But yeah, my goal is to get 10,000 messages going out every single day. That's gonna be the goal right here. So I got about 6 accounts up. At the moment, I want to go out and grab some more accounts. You know, I've been talking to this dude that I got my other accounts from. I'm trying to see if he can get me an account that's 100,000. That already has like 100,000 followers and stuff, just for like, it's not even really about the followers. I mean, well, obviously it's about followers. It's more like, you know, it's like an authority type thing. Because once you have 100,000 followers, it's like, you know, whoever you message is more likely to read your message. You know, especially if you can get like a little check mark or something like that. That's what I really want too. Like I would love to get a YouTube channel that has a check mark. You know, just gotta find one though. You know, a lot of people are not selling those. Like you can get a YouTube account right now for like 3,500, 100K, just like that. Like it's really not that expensive to like literally go from 0 to 100,000. Like you wouldn't even, there would be no way you would be able to use Facebook ads, YouTube ads, especially not, to get anywhere near 100,000 subscribers off $3,500. Never gonna happen. I mean, it's possible. You're gonna need a lot of free traffic with that, you know. But anyway, that's the goal for right now. Is to try to get this up to 10,000 messages going out every day. You know, like I said, this is like a goal of mine that I've been sleeping on, and the whole bot thing makes it completely hands free. And you know, it's just like, you know, they go on to Twitter, so you know you got your Twitter account, and then the bot is out there working heavy, literally all day long while you're sleeping. You know, and then you got multiple Twitter accounts out here, right? So this can work in CPA marketing, e-commerce, like everything. It's just like how Google Trends is. It's like it's amazing, you know. And you can just have this all going to one thing. Like let's say I was having it all go to Easy Pages, you know, right? All of that traffic every day, Easy Pages, you know. Or I could have it go to the YouTube channel, right? And then from there, they see how much money I'm making. They see how I'm doing. They see where I came from. They hear me run my mouth or whatever, right? They, you know, like, oh, I fucks with Dude Heavy. He keeps it 100%, right? Boom. There goes another sale. There goes another course sale, right? And it's just that simple. And it's literally 90,000 as of right now. 90,000 messages are going out per month. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated on this. Obviously, I haven't been into the whole bot scene, at least for Twitter, that long. So still testing the waters with it or whatnot. Obviously, this will be in the training as well. I actually made a video on it earlier. I don't really like talking about topics that I don't really know too much about. So I just like letting you know, like, hey, this is what I know right now. Obviously, it's further I go down the line, the more I'll update videos and all that stuff. But as of right now, everything has been going pretty smooth. You know, I've been making some good money off of it, so why not share it? But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.